Congratulations, Mona, for being a state topper in the national level of the Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan exam 2020-21.
Thank you so much, sir.
So we are going to have some question answer round. So I'm going to ask some question and you answer them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your first question is: as the VVM national winner 2020-21, what do you cherish as the most memorable?
Definitely the moment that I found out that I had qualified for the national level.
Okay. Next question is: what challenge did you face in your journey to reach the peak?
This time it was the COVID pandemic. Because of that, there was a lot of network issues and problems.
Okay. Third one is: what change has BBM brought in your pursuit of science studies?
VVM has taught me the importance of the smaller developments and achievements in science, which often fly under the radar, and to pay attention to details.
Okay. Next question is: what uniqueness of VVM would you like to mention?
That would be the emphasis that VVM lays on learning about the Indian contributions to the fields of science.
Okay. What will be your message for the VVM upcoming VVM aspirants?
Don't fret too much or fret the appropriate amount, because the syllabus for the VVM exam is vast. So you need to make sure that you only study the relevant amount and not get overwhelmed with the vast amounts of information available online.
Okay. What will be your signature statement for the next generation of VVM participants?
When it comes to knowledge, depth is more important than breadth.
Fine. To whom will you attribute the success of VVM national winner 2020-21?
At the risk of sounding very cliche, I would attribute it to my teachers. Without them, I wouldn't have registered for the exam, and definitely to my parents who guided me throughout.
Okay. What change in scientific attitude did you develop during your journey in VVM platform?
To sum it up in a very concise manner, I think that I can say I have increased my scientific aptitude, because you can't give an exam at the level of VVM and come out from the other end the same as you are.
Okay. What resources did you use during your pursuit to the top?
The study material provided by VVM, and for the academic theory and practical portions, I referred to the NCERT textbook.
Okay. So your last question is, in a single word, how do you like to describe your experience in VVM?
That would definitely be illuminating.
Okay, illuminating. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mona, for having this interview session. And thank you.
Thank you, sir.
It's nice to have this question answer session with you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.